seconds is the best time for the first round. Oh my god, I cannot stop. I cannot stop looking at it. What should I manage? Should I manage the comments? Should I manage the timer? Should I manage the commentary? I cannot manage all these things. Oh my god.
Sir,
Great, great, great.
due to
Yes.
lightning, we don't have light right now.
Oh my god. We want 1 minute 5 seconds now. Let's go ahead.
Sir, I'll try my best.
And stop. 49 seconds. Look at the timing. And this has been a very perfect. This is Ankit, your favorite host on your favorite show, that is IRC, that is Indian Robotics Championship, powered by VidBlocks. And in my normal days, when I get up and come to lab, the only thing that is behind my mind is what should I do on that very specific day so that I inspire the VidBlocks community members. But during IRC, it happened the other way around. Every episode of IRC, the children, the participants, and the entire VidBlocks community inspired me.
I am Amit Modi, founder of VidBlocks. In IRC, I was involved in concept designing part and in execution as well.
Hi everyone, this is Suman Pandit. I was responsible for bringing IRC into the VidBlocks app, managing the content of IRC, managing all the background stuff, backend stuff, everything, and also streaming the event.
Hi, my name is Bhagyashree and I was the coordinator in IRC.
I'm Anand Gandhi. I was the person behind the mask, for most of the competitions.
So IRC started somewhere in the month of, I guess, September. I don't remember the exact date. Amit came to the lab and he said that, Ankit, we need to do something where the children get engaged more and they need to be able to exhibit their projects. And he came up with some ideas, and as usual, I rejected all of them.
Convincing Ankit was tough, but in our team, Ankit has got a very good voice and he is very spontaneous.
Amit came to me and he said, Ankit, this is the layout, this is the project, now create an event out of it.
So no anybody else could have done better than Ankit. So we put all our efforts to convince Ankit. In fact, I even treated him with extra pizzas for conducting those live sessions for 2 hours on every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday.
So that very instant, I realized that Amit has come up with something which I cannot reject, and I'll have to come up with something which is better than his idea.
Indian Robotics Championship was a one-of-a-kind event. The first time such a competition was held in India. Participants from all over India had to build the fastest line follow robot.
Many a times we had poor internet connection, so that was a major hurdle.
So in the initial days of IRC, when we were thinking of having a judge, so we first thought to have someone out from the industry, But then we thought that there wouldn't be any correlation. Like if we get someone, maybe you might not know them. Yeah. So then we had this discussion amongst ourselves, and then we were like,
Why can't a Sundar Pichai or Satya Nadella or Ratan Tata or Hrithik Roshan or Sachin Tendulkar can be a judge of IRC? So we came up with an idea of masked judges.
so the first day when I had that mask, it was very difficult for me because I was not able to speak because of those eyes holes that were so small. My eyes were burning, literally burning, and I was stretching it out. But फिर क्या होता था कि हम कुछ fun topic आ जाता था. Ankit sir used to bring it, or I used to get it on with that. Maybe हम आचार की बात कर लेते थे या something of that sort करके. So it was like a fun thing, that we never saw. Even in the office, we don't do that. Usually, we don't pull each other's legs. But at that moment, we had that opportunity and we didn't want to miss it. So we were just pulling it out completely.
There were a lot of learnings from the IRC event. First of all, there was participation from all corners of the country. Like we had participants from Jammu and Kashmir, from Sikkim, from South, from East, from West. So that was very inspirational. The other thing we saw was the fight back attitude of children.
It is very easy to say never to give up, or like do not give up, something like that. But to actually do that, it requires a lot of perseverance.
That those who were eliminated in the first round, they fought back, they came back with wildcard entry, and then they made their place in the finals.
Like people, whenever, if I'm saying someone do not give up, it's easy to say. But if you want to see how to not to give up, just check out all the videos of IRC.
BitBlocks makers, we love you. We love your projects and ideas. Keep making, keep inspiring each other with your innovative solutions and ideas.